Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel BL Das Short and Sweet in Chemistry. I also want to welcome the topic short revision of chemical reaction in organic chemistry class 12 according to CBSE syllabus. Now the chapter is haloalkane. I hope it is very much helpful for the CBSE board examination. In my first video part 1, I have explained the preparation of haloalkane from alcohol. There are so many reactions also explained in the first video how to prepare haloalkanes from the alcohol. Now here in this part 2, I want to explain that it is from hydrocarbon. Then you know hydrocarbon, mainly alkane and alkene, they are responsible for the preparation of haloalkane. In alkane you take propanolate, chlorine and H nu. Then what happens? It gives 1 chloropropane and 2 chloropropane. See, 1, 2, 3, 1 chloropropane and it is 2 chloropropane. Then here alkene. Alkene says this is double bond HX, then it gives HX because H is added here and X also here, that means it gives haloalkane. Now see, in haloalkane there is no gap because in IPSC name there should be no gap. Now there are two types of alkene, one is symmetrical, other one is unsymmetrical. Symmetrical alkene is ethene, example, simple example ethene. When you add HBr, it gives H here, Br here, then what happens? CH3, CH2, Br, bromo, ethane, because only 2 carbon and there is a double bond. So that is between CH2 and that side also CH2. So it is called symmetrical alkene. When you can see 2-butene also symmetrical alkene. See here, and this side 2 carbon and 4 hydrogen, and this side also 2 carbon and 4 hydrogen. So it is 2-butene, sorry, it is 2-butene, that is a example of symmetrical alkene. When you add HBr, you can add hydrogen here, Br here, or you can add hydrogen here, Br here, then the product is CH3. This is number of carbon, not any number position of carbon, not the number of carbon here. These are the position 1, 2, 3, 4. In 2 position there is a bromine atom, that is why it is known as 2-bromobutane. 1 position, 2 position, 3 position and 4 position. Now come to unsymmetrical alkene. What is meant by unsymmetrical alkene? Between the double bond this side and opposite side, if the carbon atoms and hydrogen atoms are not equal, then it is unsymmetrical alkene. Example 1-propene. See 1-propene, this is the double bond, this side 1 2 hydrogen 1 carbon, this side 2 carbon and 4 hydrogen. That means one side 1 carbon 2 hydrogen, other side 2 carbon 4 hydrogen. So it is unsymmetrical alkene. When unsymmetrical alkene is there, when HBr is adding, that means there is some type of problem. What is the product, whether 1 bromopropane or 2 bromopropane? So the scientist Markovnikov, who posted one rule that is called Markovnikov rule, and he said what? The negative part, you know bromine is negative part here, the negative part will come to the carbon here which contain least number of hydrogen. What is Markovnikov's rule? Markovnikov's rule means the negative part of the adding substance here, it will go to the carbon which contain least number of hydrogen. That is why bromine come to here and hydrogen here. So what is the product? 2-bromopropane. This is known as according to Markovnikov rule. Now one scientist again came here, that is known as Kharas, that is named as Kharas effect. What is that one? That is by using Markovnikov's rule, against the Markovnikov's rule, that is called anti-Markovnikov's rule. When the Markovnikov's rule is applied, when you take peroxide, what peroxide? Benzoyl peroxide. When you take benzoyl peroxide, and here the negative part will not come to the carbon which contain least number of hydrogen. It comes to the just opposite to that rule, anti, just it is against that rule. That means the Br will not come here, the Br will attach here. See here, CH3, CH2, CH2, Br. 1 bromopropane. When you apply peroxide, 1 bromopropane. When you are not applying peroxide, it will follow Markovnikov's rule, and that is 2 bromopropane. That means here, how can you get 1 bromopropane? How can you get 2 bromopropane? According to Markovnikov's rule, according to anti-Markovnikov's rule, which is anti-Markovnikov's rule, that is called Kharas effect, according to the scientist named Kharas, because he first applied peroxide, benzoyl peroxide, where he got that 1 bromopropane. So this is very, very important. How can you get a 1 bromopropane, that is major product? How can you get 2 bromopropane as a major product from 1 propene? I hope it is clear. Next we will come to halogen exchange method, how the halogen can be replaced by other halogen in the preparation of haloalkane. I hope it is clear. In alkene, I told how can you get that haloalkane. One is addition of HBr, where it follows Markovnikov's rule. If it is unsymmetrical, if it is symmetrical, no necessity of Markovnikov's rule. Another one is that is called Kharas effect, that is called anti-Markovnikov's rule, where you are adding benzoyl peroxide. And the last one, in addition of halogens in alkene. If you add halogens in alkene, then what happens? Simply this 1x here you will add. So here what happened? It will give that is dihaloalkane. See here, it is dihaloalkane because between double bond, one side one halogen, other side one halogen, so it is dihaloalkane. Let us example, ethene plus bromine. You are adding bromine. That is why here one bromine and this side also one bromine. In one position, that is your bromine. In second position also bromine. So it is called 1,2-dibromoethane, because the house itself alkane, that name is ethane. In ethane, first position bromine, second position bromine, so it is 1,2-dibromoethane. Now if it is 1 propene, then see here double bond. Where is the double bond? Between this and this. Here one bromine should be added here, other bromine should be added here. Addition means that is between double bond it will be added. So what happens here? Here one bromine, here also one bromine it is added, and now it is house of the propane house. In propane, first position there is bromine, in second position there is bromine, so it is 1,2-dibromopropane. This is 1,2-dibromopropane. Here also you can write 1,2-dibromopropane. Then come to halo exchange. How can you do halo exchange? Means halogen should be exchanged. So here if it is your 1 Rx, that is haloalkane, and you will add, you want to change iodide, alkyl iodide, or you can say iodoalkane. That means this halogen should be exchanged by iodine. So here acetone you should take, then it gives Ri and plus NaX. That means Ri, alkyl iodide, or you can say iodoalkane you should prepare. Now see example, this is ethyl bromide. It is one type of haloalkane. You want to change this bromine to other, that is NaI, and this reaction specially named Finkelstein reaction, because according to the scientist the reaction name is like that. So you should remember Finkelstein reaction. I hope it is easy how to remember. Here the last letter is N, so you will add NaI. See here Finkelstein, N is the last letter, so you will add NaI. So that is your Finkelstein reaction, and this is the example where bromine is replaced by iodine, so it is iodoethane, and the byproduct sodium bromide. Similarly, other halo exchange is the halogen exchange, that is Rx plus AgF. Here bromine is replaced by iodine and here the halogen is replaced by the fluorine. That means fluoroalkane you will get. Then what happened? Here you will get Ra plus AgX. That is called Schwarz reaction. Here also you can remember like this. This is silver fluoride. S, what the center, that letter comes to, not letter, that word comes to in S, silver fluoride in spelling. Here also Schwarz, S start in S and also here ends in S. So you can remember S starts and also S, that means here silver fluoride, and the scientist name Schwarz reaction. Then here CH3Br AgF you take, that halogen will be exchanged, CH3F AgBr. What is CH3F? Fluoromethane. It is fluoromethane. Not only AgF, you can take so many compounds are there. Mercuric fluoride, cobalt fluoride, antimony fluoride also you can use. See here, addition of halogens in alkene, that how can you get from alkene? This is one method and other methods already explained. And here this is also same bromine. When halogen is added, you should take CCl4, carbon tetrafluoride. Halogen exchange here two types. One is Finkelstein reaction, that is since N, that is where sodium NaI. And here since it is Schwarz, you will write silver fluoride. And here how the halogen is exchanged, that means one is iodo, other one is fluoro. Iodoalkane, fluoroalkane. So here I hope it is clear that preparation of haloalkane, what are the reactions involved in the preparation of haloalkane. I hope it is clear. In a coming video I will explain, I will show you the important reaction involved in the chemical properties of haloalkane, and hope you will subscribe and like and share my channel BL Das Short and Sweet Chemistry. I hope again see, if any doubt you can ask me in my comments, and so thanking you. Thanks.